Hi boys and girls, welcome to math. This week in math, we've been learning about team numbers. And a principle, or a really important thing about team numbers is that they are 10 plus something else. So like 13 is 10 plus 3. And so today we're going to read this fun book called The Bug Day Out. And it helps us to put into practice our counting of team numbers and to remember that team numbers is 10 plus something else, okay? So let's go ahead and read. The Bug Day Out. The bugs line up at the gate. They are so excited, they just can't wait. There they are at the fun park, and they're ready to go in. There are so many rides the bugs can choose. They must hurry, there is no time to lose. We've been talking about poetry this week. Do you hear the rhyming words? What are the words that rhyme there? The bugs can choose. There is no time to lose. Choose and lose. They rhyme. The ladybugs take a ride on the wet and wild water slide. There they are. Now, boys and girls, here is a team number that's shown on here. Now, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 here, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 10 and 6. So what number would that be? That's right, that is 16. Let's count to confirm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That is 16. So 10 and 6 is 16. All right. Looks like a fun ride. As the ants reach the top of the wheel, they all give out a great big squeal. All right, boys and girls. So here's one page and the other page. I see 4 ants over here, and then I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 and 4. What would that be? You know? 10 and 4 is 14. Let's count to confirm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14. Very good. The caterpillars hold on tight. This ride falls from a great height. All right, boys and girls. So I'm going to take a look right here, and I see a whole bunch of caterpillars together. And I see really just one group, but how many would be there? Now let's go ahead and just count them together, and then we'll take a look at how that's 10 and something else. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's 15. And if I look, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 in the first two rows, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 15 is 10 and 5. The big brown beetles are a hungry bunch. They like to eat a healthy lunch. All right, so I have two tables here. And sure enough, on the first one, and they're saying munch, 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 yum, yum, good stuff. On the first table, I have 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the first table. The second table, how many is there? Can you subitize it? That's right, that's 3. 1, 2, 3. So 10 and 3 is how many? That is right, that is 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Very good. 10 and 3 is 13. The roller coaster is so fast, it gives the bees a real blast. I have 2 roller coaster cars here. I have 1, 2. On the first one, how many do you think that is? I'm seeing a pattern here, right? 10 on the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 there. How many's up here? Subatize that. 2. 10 and 2. How many is that, boys and girls? If you said 12, you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. 10 and 2 make 12. Boy, they're having fun. The hoppers lay back and enjoy their float on the gently rocking wooden boats. 2 groups, 1 boat, and the second boat. How many's here? The pattern is 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the second boat is how many? Easy to subatize, just 1. 10 and 1. How many is that? That's right, that is 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Very good. Just last page here. The bugs are moving mighty slow, but they must hurry. It's time to go. All right, boys and girls, I see a couple groups here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 bugs right here, not counting the big tall ones, but there's 10 here. And then I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 and 5. What does that make? 10 and 5 make 15. Let's count it to confirm. And remember, if we count this way or that way, it's always going to be the same number. So this time we'll count the 5 first. Then we'll do the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 bugs. And they're headed home. All right, boys and girls. Thank you for joining me today for math.